Want to connect your Canon TR8620a printer to your computer but don't know where to start? Yeah, printer connections can be tricky sometimes with all the network stuff, software, and drivers involved. But don't worry, after watching this video, you'll be able to connect your printer super easily. If you get stuck, just call the numbers on your screen for help. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Turn on your printer and wait for the front screen to light up. This is your LCD display where we'll do all the setup. Look at the screen and find the settings icon. It looks like a little gear. Go ahead and tap on it. A menu will show up with the different options. From that menu, choose Device Settings and tap on it. Now, you'll see more options appear. Look for LAN settings and tap on that. Next, choose Wi-Fi from the option that pops up. Now, we're getting into Wi-Fi setup part. This is where your printer starts looking for your wireless network. Tap on the Wi-Fi setup to start the connection process. This tells your printer to prepare for connecting to your network. On the next screen, you'll see different connections options. Tap on Manual Connect because this gives us most control which networks to join. Your printer is now scanning for Wi-Fi networks in your area. Just wait a moment while it searches. It should only take a few seconds. Once your Wi-Fi network name appears on the screen, tap on it to select it. You should see your network listed there, along with the other network nearby. Now, tap the password box labeled Please Enter and enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure you type it carefully and exactly right. And that's it. Your Canon TR8620 is now connected to your wireless network and ready to print. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.